Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. As I said before, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, basically already a completed Ethereum 2.0. I want to talk about the main Fibonacci levels and my target, also my price target for the bull run 2021 or maybe 2022 if it extends into next year. What I've got on the chart, and that's what I want to start with really here, the Fibonacci retracement and extension levels. We can see that that is a pretty much valid Fibonacci scheme here. We can see we had a lot of support. It is valid. We had support here on this Fibonacci level. We had support here at the golden pocket, support here. So it works out pretty well. And we're currently facing resistance here at the 1.272 Fibonacci extension level at 27 cents, roughly 27.7 cents on this chart. So that is where we are currently facing resistance, and that is pretty much why, because it is the next Fibonacci extension level after that major high that we made on the 12th of September. Now, the next level that comes after that is pretty much 34 cents, which is the 1.618 extension level. I mean, that will be easily achievable in my opinion. I think we're going to continue a little bit and then we're going to retrace from here. The next level is the 40 cent level, 200%. Then we've got 51 cent, which is a 2.618. So these are basically the next major extension levels. But what is really my personal price target? And that, please, that is only my own opinion and a little bit of speculation, of course. So take it with a pinch of salt anyway, and don't just go in because I say it will reach a certain price or so. So, I mean, we also need to look a little bit at the market cap. So first of all, I think from a fundamental point of view, Harmony One seems to be one of the trending cryptocurrencies at the moment. It's a growing ecosystem, and pretty much, I mean, honestly, it is really like a completed Ethereum 2.0 already, and it works really well. It's a growing ecosystem and it's gaining in popularity. We need to see where we are currently in with regards to the market cap. So Harmony One is currently sitting rank 55 by market cap, around 3 billion US dollars of market cap. So currently around 28 cents. So let's just say, let's just make it 25 cents roughly, okay? And let's just say we go 4x to $1. Now that would take us to a $12 billion market cap, right? And let's just, maybe even 15 if we're a bit higher than 25 cents with a 4x. $15 market cap if we say we go to $1 or a little bit more. Well, where would that take us? I mean, 12 billion market cap, that would only take us, I mean, yeah, in the top 20. Is that unrealistic? No, not at all. I mean, if I see Litecoin, these Litecoin is pretty much, in my opinion, I mean, it has its use case, but it's not really, in my opinion, nobody needs it, honestly. So some of these here, which are sort of from the like the original ones, the ones that started together with Bitcoin, some of them are just not needed anymore because there's so much innovative stuff coming out now, like Harmony One, which might just overtake these. So yeah, Harmony One I think it will outperform a lot of other cryptos this year and early next year before the bull run will end. With regards to the ending of the bull run, I think we could even see January, February. I think Bitcoin might top in December as it did before, November, December, and then maybe in January we will see the altcoins. I did say that before. So yeah, but it is of course tricky, and nobody says just because it happened in the past it needs to happen again like that. But I think $1 is certainly achievable. I mean, I would be surprised if we only see $1 within this bull run. I think we can actually go higher. I wouldn't even find 150 or even $2 unrealistic. I think it has a lot of potential, even though it already performed very well. But I think it still has much more potential. And what we need to see, I mean, in the beginning of the year, let's just see where we were in January, just to sort of get an understanding of where we were. I mean, that was amazing. I mean, we were back here, where were we? Around not even a cent. So yeah, we made impressive gains, and then it really kicked off in February, and then obviously it performed really well in March. Then it dropped back off, and now we are pretty much making a new all-time high day by day. So yeah, I think there is still a lot of scope to the upside for Harmony One. I think between 150 and $2 actually would be ambitious, but I think it is actually realistic. So if we say 150 or $2, let's just say $2, where would that take us? So that would take us probably to 24 billion. So with 24 billion, that would currently take us, well, not even in the top 10. And let's just say there will be more money flowing into the crypto market in the next few months anyway. So I think at that time it will not even be in the top 10 anyway. So it might be at some point, yeah, in the top 20 potentially. So yeah, I don't think that is unrealistic. I think it has a lot of potential, also to outperform other cryptos, and that is my personal price target. And again, I could be wrong, take it with a pinch of salt. What are we doing at the moment? Well, we are higher than yesterday. Did say yesterday that we were retesting a important support level. I think yesterday we were just about to retest, was it here? Or that one here at 25 cents. I think we were retesting it. We're sort of still moving sideways a little bit, but we went a little bit higher. So in my view, a bullish consolidation. We've got this cup and handle that you can see here. So basically this here is a small cup and a handle. Yeah, if we take that, and I think that might even also take us to the technical target of that might take us also to around 33, 34 cents, which is that 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. So I think it's looking good. You know, I would expect some retracement maybe when we move towards the next extension level anyway. I mean, that's pretty much, you could say that's guaranteed, yeah. So if we move one step higher, climb up the ladder as we have done before, then we could actually, yeah, then we could get some more retracement. And however, I think we are gonna climb up the ladder. It will be a bumpy ride, you know, as always with cryptos. It is highly volatile, as you can see here as well. There can even be a potential pullback back to that ascending trend line here, which we did before as well. And that wouldn't be bearish. That would be still okay, because we would still be in an uptrend. And honestly, we are still above the 20-day moving average, above the 50, above the 200. On the shorter term time frame here, we were a little bit or nearly in the overbought territory. So we've been retracing a little bit, consolidating, which brings the RSI down, which is okay as well. On the MACD, I think we still have scope to the upside. You know, we're not very high, even though it looks like we're losing a bit of steam, but that's because we're consolidating, because the RSI was quite high. But overall, it's looking okay. You know, strong uptrend here on the ADX. On the 4-hour time frame, let's take a quick look on the daily. On the daily, you know, I think here you can see that we have come actually a potential bearish cross on the MACD, but we've turned around. So that normally indicates that we're going to push higher. And again, on the ADX, a long signal. And on the RSI, what we can see here, we're not yet in overbought territory. So yeah, I think we might have enough steam to get to the 33-cent level. We certainly are retesting currently that support level here at 25.5, 26 cents. So that seems to be successful. We've been doing that since yesterday, and I think we could now continue to move up very, very shortly, because also we've come above that previous high here of that pump here to the upside. So yeah, it's looking good, and we're retesting that, and it seems to be okay. Also on the hourly, we've now come back to the 50 line on the RSI, which would indicate that in the next move we could continue our move to the upside. So let me know if you want me to cover Harmony 1 going forward. If you like the video, please let me know, and smash the like button and also the subscribe button, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.